Hi guys, welcome to today's makeup tutorial using all Revolution products. This eyeshadow look was using the Leary palette. It is a really nice palette and the colour payoff is amazing. So for a base for this makeup look, I'm going in with the Revolution liquid highlighter in the shade Liquid Euphoric Gold. I'm just popping this all over my face as a base. And then going in with the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation with Hyaluronic Acid in the shade F10. This was quite pale for me, so if you are a darker skin tone, I'd recommend going obviously a darker colour. Next I'm going in with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C6. The concealer's got really good coverage and it does cover dark circles really well. And I'm just using this also to contour my face. Going back in with the Revolution liquid highlighter in the Euphoric Gold again. The highlighter itself does move the foundation underneath the skin, especially if you apply too much. You're better off building the product up slowly and just blending it really gently into the skin so it doesn't move the makeup underneath. Then going in with the Leary palette Goddess on the Go with the shade Get It Poppin'. To start off with my eyes, I'm going in with the colour Caramel Slice and I'm just blending this all over my eyelids and up into my crease, and then I'm also taking the colour Straight Fire and blending this all over on top. Going back in with the colour Caramel Slice and then I'm mixing it with Sweet Like and just blending that in my crease and making my crease darker. I'm then going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and I'm just popping a dot in the centre of my eye and just blending it out with my finger. Once that's blended out, I'm going on top of that with the shade Coconut Latte and just brightening up the centre of my lid. Next I'm going in with the Revolution eyeliner. I'm just using this on the thinner side. And using the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade in the colour Ebony. And then taking the colour Peach Please and just applying this to my cheeks as a blusher. Put my lashes on the top, so I'm just going to go in with the Mascara Revolution, and this is Mascara by Makeup Revolution. I'm just popping this onto my bottom lashes. I'm going in with the Revolution lipstick in the shade Head Turner. This colour for me was too pale. It did kind of blend into my foundation. And next I'm going in with the Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray all over my face, and I'm going back in with a Get It Popping highlighter just on top of this. Again for watching this makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.